Это видео из бесплатного курса английского для начинающих. Ссылка в описании. Поехали.
How to make the mayor work. Many people are unhappy with their mayor's work. The mayor should solve city problems faster. But how can ordinary people influence him? There are peaceful and legal ways to do it. First, you can write an official letter to the mayor. Second, start an online petition with many signatures. You can also speak at public meetings in your city. It is useful to invite journalists and show the problem. Citizens can unite and create a group. You should always offer clear solutions, not only complain. Be polite but persistent in your requests. Voting for active candidates in elections is important. Remind the mayor that he works for the people. Public pressure often makes officials work better. Main idea: active and united citizens can make the mayor work harder.
В этом бесплатном курсе вы найдете это же видео с текстом, переводом и транскрипцией основных слов. И еще в нем есть задания для закрепления. Заходите по ссылке в описании.